Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I'm gonna try something maybe a little crazy, maybe a little genius. Who knows, right? So I am going to be using two alcohol inks by Ranger, and they are Valencia and Dandelion. My plan is to use Julie's Bloom pigment paste, and I'm going to use Dandelion with this together, but in two separate batches. So I'm gonna have my piping, I will have one that's just plain white, and the other one's gonna be white with Dandelion in it. So that's the plan. So I've just mixed up 3 ounces of resin, and I'm gonna decant about an ounce. Just mark the levels off on my little cup here. And I'm going to put the rest of this into my mold. So 3 ounces. I'm using resin by Let's Resin. It's 1:1 resin. And I mixed it for 4 minutes, and then I let it sit for 10 minutes. And it got to a temperature of 95 degrees. And then that is when I started the timer and started recording. So there we have that. I'm gonna wipe off my stick. And now I need to evict the little bubbles that always get in the corners. It's good to me. Now let's torch these guys. I think I got them all. Be careful when torching your mold. You don't want to fuse the resin to the mold by getting too close to the edges of your where the silicone is. My orange Valencia alcohol in here, and I'm just doing this one color. Oops. I don't know, should I do the other color too in there? All right, so I'm going to take out half of this and put it into one piping bag. Is that half? Yep, that looks like half. We'll do a wee bit more. All right, so that's my one piping bag. Here's my second one, but I wanted to add the yellow. And this one, called Dandelion. I'm gonna put 3 drops in there. It could be a lot. But I want it to have a nice yellow color to it. I would say I succeeded. Just need to give that a really good mix. Yeah, that's a nice, lovely lemon yellow. Mellow yellow. All right, that's gonna go in here. We want lemon meringue pie now. Great. Everything's about food. I'm gonna get my bags ready. These are just gonna have little itty bitty bits of resin in them. There, ready to go. Don't move. And my mellow yellow. This one looks like it has quite a bit more, but I think there's a big air bubble in there. think I'm gonna leave my yellow here. I'm gonna start with the white. I'm just gonna cut the very end off. About there. And I'm going to do circles. And that's it with that one. I'll put that there. Same with the yellow. Okay. I actually have no idea how this is gonna work. Okay, there that is. Get the stick back, and we are going to deblob Okie dokie, here we go. Let's quarter. Since we're 4 in, I'll do 4 out. Ah! Aw, man. Oh, I hope I didn't ruin that. All right, and then I'm gonna do just a little swirl in the middle. And she's done. I hope I didn't ruin that. Can't believe I dropped my napkin. Dang it. Well, I can see that my white is starting to bloom. The yellow, I don't know. Well, that's it. We'll wait and see. It's the next day. I wasn't so sure last night how this would work, but I'm actually pretty hopeful. My hope is that I will still have some white petals and some of the yellow petals so that there's a distinction. But we'll see on the other side, because the other side tends to get more blended. But all right, moment of truth. Wow. Okay, a little bit. I mean, most of the white did blend, but I am super happy with this. You can still see some of the yellow that's mixed in with that orange, a little bit of the white on the edges. Overall, I'm super happy with this. I would call that a success. Yay! But what do you think? I think I would do that again. Mix up the two different colors and pipe them out. Huh. Or maybe I should just use the one color, seeing as how the white um, was only on the very edges. Oh no, something to play with though, and I like it. Well, thanks for being here on my resin journey. I appreciate you taking the time to come visit my channel, and hopefully I will see you again in the future. So if you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.